Welcome to your latest challenge, the wall sits exercise. This isn't some laid-back routine, it's a rigorous test of endurance and strength. Not only does it sculpt your legs into pillars of power and grace, but it also works miracles in relieving low back pain. Imagine yourself positioning robustly against a wall, feet shoulder-width apart. Then slide your back down the wall until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Feel the pressure as you hold this position, your back pressed firmly against the wall. This very stance strengthens your glutes and quadriceps, helping to reduce tension and discomfort in your lower back. It's a simple pose, but not for the weak-willed. Now let's engage the core. Contract those muscles like you're defying the entire unyielding universe. Sense the relentless endurance as you hold, breathe, and release, forging an intense bond with the wall. This static exercise not only shapes your legs, but also provides a beneficial relief to your lower back. And by all means, breathe. Every breath out is a release of tension, every breath in a renewal of strength. Remember, this isn't a leisurely activity, it's about transforming those legs into an unwavering pillar of might and poise while soothing your aching back. This epic exercise is your hope. It's your secret weapon against low back pain, no matter how challenging your fitness journey has been so far. It's a remarkable dance of strength. Before we conclude, heed this. If triumph is your objective, resist the temptation to use the wall merely as a support, understood? Engage your core like the hero of your own legendary saga. Each one isn't a jest, it's your path to greater self-confidence. As we bring this strenuous workout session to an end, ensure to subscribe. Now continue with your wall sits, keep on shining or endure the consequences.